Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series, Center Text with Bootstrap. Now that we are using Bootstrap, we can center our heading element to make it look better. All we need to do is add the class text center to our h2 element. Remember that we can add several classes onto the same element by separating each of them with a space like this. Here, red text and text center are separated by the use of single space. In this case, we have h2 with red text and afterward text center. And cat photo app will be in center. So let's bring it in the center. We can see here and run the tests. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.